Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can change audio and subtitles language in Netflix. So all you have to do now is open the Netflix app on your phone and choose the profile that you want to adjust. For example, this one, you can tap it and tap on your profile and then tap on three stripe at the top of your screen and tap on manage profiles. Tap again the profiles. Here we go, there are some options that you can set up and there's a display language here. You can change the language of the next of the text you see on Netflix. Any change will also apply to the default language for audio and subtitles. By default is in English, so you can try to choose your native language here, or you want to try another language. And also you can set the audio and subtitles language in here. You can tap it, audio and subtitles. Choosing the language you watch TV shows and movies in help us to set up your audio and subtitles for a better viewing experience. Feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like and subscribe, and also click the button below. See you in the next video.